welcome back to students of class 5th. Now we are going to study building blocks of chapter 6. So let's move on towards the building blocks topic. First topic is past perfect tense. What is the meaning of past perfect tense? Tense, as we all know, it is the time plus verb. Movement of verb in coordination with time is called as the tense. Okay? Past perfect tense. So past perfect tense shows completion of action in past. Any work which has already been completed in past, that is shown as the past perfect tense. Let's read from the book. We have pulled 3 chairs of gloves onto our hands before starting from the base camp. We had found one possible way to cross the mountain before evening. The above sentences describe something that has been completed before another action happened. It shows the completion of action in past before another action happened. So, what is the subject structure? Sentence structure: subject plus had plus B का third form plus object. ठीक है? So, the train had left. ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. When I arrived. मैं आया उससे पहले ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. Okay. Next, the mother had prepared all the dish before the guest arrived. After I had completed my homework, I went to play. So to talk about an action that happened before a specific time in the past, the company had established before 1940. Past perfect is also used in reported speech. So now tick mark the sentences in the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense क्या हुआ? जब एक एक्शन का शुरू होने से पहले ही एक पहला एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका था. It shows the completion of an action in past before another action happened. The subject structure, sentence structure is subject plus had plus be third plus object. The train had left when I had arrived. मैं आया उससे पहले ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. My mother had prepared all the dishes before the guest arrived. जब तक गेस्ट आया तब तक मेरी माँ खाना बना चुकी थी. Let's move on towards exercise. Tick mark the sentences in the past perfect tense. Sushmita is watching TV. No, it had rained when we came out. Yes, had is there and ed form is there. So yes, I was taking bath. No, it is past continuous. We had gone out. Again had plus v3. So it is I had just washed. Again had plus v3. So it is grandma had gone. Again had plus v3. Again it will be I go to school every day. No. So now let's try 6. Will be done by yourself. You yourself. Moving towards the practice book. My turn 3. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Let's move on towards the one more tense, that is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense shows the completion of action in future, not in past, in future. So completion of action, जब कोई काम कंप्लीट होगा कब? फ्यूचर में. दूसरा काम शुरू होने से पहले जब पहला काम पूरा होगा तो completion of action in future. Future perfect tense shows us the completion of action in the future, in the nearby future. The future perfect tense is used to talk about a completed action in the future. When we use this tense, we place ourselves in future and look at an action that will be completed in sometime later than now. What is the sentence structure? Subject plus will oblique shall plus have plus again v3 plus object. example, the train will have left before you reach the station. तुम स्टेशन पहुंचोगे उससे पहले ही ट्रेन जा चुकी होगी. The rats will have destroyed the books before you trap it. तुम चूहे पकड़ोगे उससे पहले ही वो नुकसान कर चुके होंगे. The results will have declared before you come back. तुम जब तक वापस आओगे तब तक results declare हो चुके होंगे. So it shows us the completion of action in future. The sentence structure is subject plus will shall plus have plus V3 plus object. Let's move towards the exercise. Fill in the blanks with future perfect tense. My mother will have got home before we reach. Tomorrow my parrot will have stayed with us for 3 years. My friend will have left the playground by 4:30 p.m. The exam will have started or shall have started by now. Will have started by now. By the time they shift to house, I will have completed painting it. My brother will have finished his assignment by evening. So let's test it. You will do by yourself. Now let's move on towards exercise. Exercise part for practice book. Let's try 3. Let's try 4. That is homework. Okay. That's all in this part of video. Thanks for listening.